What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we are going to go over this landscape fabric barrier. This is basically a weed barrier for the people that don't know, for the uninvited weed that always come in your garden and lawn every year. That's what this is for. Now, I did purchase this from Amazon, you guys, and look where it's made. You see where it's made. I'm just kidding, you guys. Sense of humor. All right, so we are going to get into this. It seems pretty thick, you guys. I wanted something thick because if you get something thin, best believe that the weeds will still come through. It is what it is. And I don't want to deal with nothing thin. So hopefully this is thick enough. So let's go ahead and get into it. And you don't want to use a razor blade because you don't want to cut your fabric. This is two of them by 50 foot. Oh, you know what? I didn't even notice that. They give you pins. So that's awesome, you guys. So when you put your fabric down, you can actually pin it in the ground so it can stay in place. And here we go. I don't see no rips or tears. So it's not super thick, but I might double layer it since I have more than enough. For the ones that's new to the channel, this area back here is my AC units, and I want to put stone here. I need to put my post back. My post, I didn't go deep enough, and I used the foam. This time I'm going to use concrete, you guys. I'm not messing around with that foam stuff no more. I had one bad experience. I might try it again. Who knows? I might try it again. But yeah, I told y'all last time that I wanted to put pebbles in here, and that was like almost a year and a half, 2 years now, and I haven't done it yet. And now I'm going to do it. All right. So I'm going to put the layer down, and yeah, that will be it for me. All right, nice. It looks good. I like this. Y'all need a year in review, just wait until a year go by and ask me how it turns out. All right, now I'm gonna use the whole 4 foot in this area, but I just have to make a cut to go around all the madness here. I don't know when I'm gonna upload this video. Maybe I'll upload when everything is in. Just want to show y'all the tarp. Y'all can subscribe if y'all want to see me purchase the gravel and all of that stuff. Didn't take too long. Took about 30 minutes to do this. And everything looks good so far. Again, the access that I cut off over there, I'm gonna piece it together. But I will have to do like a 6-month later review. But I will bring y'all back when I do the stones. I might do that next week. Put the stones in here, make it look good, and finalize this side over here. Definitely don't want to put no garden over here, okay? And my other 50 feet of tarp, I might put some stones here going down all the way here, all the way until my grate right there. And I might redo my my rain barrels and stuff. So I'll redo all of that. All right, you guys. So that's it. Again, this is the unboxing of this stuff. Subscribe so y'all can see me lay down the stones, pebbles, or whatever. And that will be it.